And Wangeshi is a sign language interpreter. My name is John Jacob Curia. You're very much welcome to the broadcast. To start us off, former Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich is now a free man after the courts acquitted him of a 63 billion shillings graft-related case. Rotich and 9 others walked to freedom after 5 years of a court battle where they were facing 30 counts of graft-related charges. As he walked away from the courts, the former CS had 5 words for those he says were behind his woes. The devil has been ashamed. Here are the details from our team from the courts as Rotich celebrated his win.
It was a walk of freedom after 60 months of a legal battle in which former Treasury CS Henry Rotich and 9 others battled to clear their name. The 10 were accused of misappropriating 63 billion shillings in Arror and Kimwarer dam scandal. In celebrating his acquittal, Rotich had no kind words for those he says were behind his woes.
Famous African languages, we have a saying that no poison can go where there is no blood. So there was no blood spill, and there was no way poison could go. No amount of lies, poison, and everything would survive.
Senior Principal Magistrate Eunice Nyoto, in a lengthy judgment that handed them a lifeline, said the prosecution failed to prove its case.
This would appear to be a carefully choreographed prosecution-led acquittal. However, 8 witnesses later, this tune suddenly changed. The prosecution was no longer interested in prosecuting the case. They informed the court that they had firm instructions not to proceed. As such, this court only relied on the evidence of 8 witnesses.
Out of the 49 witnesses lined up to testify, only 8 took to the witness stand. The magistrate faulted the office of the DPP for failing to do its homework and wasting the court's time.
A prudent and cautious prosecutor must be able to demonstrate that he has a reasonable and probable cause for mounting a criminal prosecution. Otherwise, the prosecution will be malicious and actionable.
The former CS National Treasury and his co-accused were facing a total of 30 charges, including conspiracy to defraud, abuse of office, contravention of procurement laws, among others.
Officers from the Office of Director of Public Prosecution should be personally held liable for any compensatory damages arising out of suits filed by aggrieved persons against the government. As such, I hereby order that this ruling shall be placed before the Attorney General and the National Council of Administrative Justice with a view of sparking conversation on legal reforms on this issue.
Rotich was charged in 2019 alongside PS Kamau Zuge, who was later converted to a state witness. Zuge, however, never took to the witness stand. Despite the taxpayer losing 63 billion Kenya shillings in the Arror and Kimwarer dam, the court has ruled that Henry Rotich and his 8 other co-accused persons have no case to answer due to lack of evidence. For Prime Edition from Milimani Law Courts, I'm Ruth Wamboy.